world's largest technology conference hums with energy. A crowd gathers around a single screen where an artificial intelligence called Devin is writing, debugging, and deploying a full software project, all without human help. The demo ends. The audience erupts. Headlines flash across the internet. Devin, the world's first AI software engineer. To many, it feels like another leap in a long line of AI innovations. But to those paying close attention, this moment signals something much deeper: the birth of autonomous AI agents. Systems that no longer wait for instructions, but think, plan, and act on their own. For the first time, the world begins to ask not what AI can do, but what happens when it decides what to do next. For decades, artificial intelligence has been framed as a tool. Spreadsheets automated accounting, chatbots automated support. Even advanced systems like ChatGPT waited patiently for human prompts. They were impressive, but still assistants, extensions of our thought, not replacements for it. That began to change in 2023, when open source projects like AutoGPT and Baby AGI emerged from the developer community. Using large language models as their brains, these experimental agents could set goals, break them into tasks, search the web, write code, and review their own progress. They weren't perfect. Many crashed, looped endlessly, or spent money aimlessly on APIs. But they proved something remarkable. AI could manage itself. By 2025, the idea matured. Startups and major labs began creating refined versions with memory, reasoning, and situational awareness. Agents were no longer just running commands. They were coordinating actions across applications, adapting to user goals, and learning from past mistakes. The age of prompt and reply was giving way to an era of goal and result. What makes an AI agent different from a chatbot? The answer lies in 3 pillars: memory, planning, and action. Memory. Agents can recall what they've done, what worked, and what failed. Planning. They break high-level goals into a sequence of tasks, reasoning about dependencies. Action. They can use tools, PIS, browsers, databases, or coding environments to execute plans in the real world. This triad gives them something close to agency. When a user says, "Research competitors, write a report, and send it to my email," a modern AI agent doesn't just generate text. It creates a plan, executes each step, checks its output, and delivers the result. Companies like OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google have started integrating these agentic capabilities into their platforms. OpenAI's Assistance API, for instance, lets developers create custom agents that can access tools, maintain long-term memory, and autonomously handle workflows. The next generation of computing isn't just reactive, it's proactive. As autonomous agents matured, businesses began experimenting. In one marketing firm, an AI operations assistant handled scheduling, email replies, and competitive research. In a data analytics company, a network of agents analyzed market trends overnight, producing full reports by morning. Then came Devin, a system designed specifically for software development. Unlike code completion tools that help humans write code faster, Devin could manage an entire project lifecycle, understanding product requirements, setting up environments, writing code, testing, debugging, and committing changes. It wasn't flawless, but neither are human engineers. What shocked observers was not its perfection, but its independence. It didn't wait for instructions line by line. It worked like a junior developer who knows the end goal and figures out how to get there. Suddenly, discussions about AI replacing jobs weren't abstract anymore. They had faces, names, and GitHub commits. Every industrial revolution has redefined what it means to work. Steam replaced muscle. Electricity replaced motion. Computers replaced paperwork. Now, autonomous AI threatens to replace thought processes. Yet, the story is more nuanced than displacement alone. While some tasks are disappearing, new categories of work are emerging. AI orchestration. Humans now design, manage, and evaluate networks of agents. Prompt architecture. Specialists craft instructions. goals, and ethical boundaries for AI systems. AI governance. Companies hire experts to monitor agent behaviour, prevent misuse, and ensure compliance. In essence, the worker of the future may look less like a task doer and more like a director, orchestrating fleets of intelligent systems. But this shift raises profound questions. What happens when an AI teammate becomes faster, cheaper, and more tireless than any human collaborator? Who gets credit or liability when an autonomous system builds or breaks something? Economists call it digital labour elasticity. As the cost of automating cognitive work plummets, the boundaries between human and machine productivity blur. This phenomenon is driven by increased productivity, reduced costs, and accelerated innovation cycles, contributing trillions of dollars to the global GDP. Some industries are already feeling the tremors. Customer service agents are being replaced by AI systems that can handle complex emotional tone and policy reasoning, leading to more efficient and personalised interactions. Marketing teams use autonomous systems to design campaigns, A/B test ads, and generate creative assets in real time, allowing for rapid iteration and optimization of marketing strategies. Financial firms employ AI agents that monitor markets, predict risks, and execute trades faster than any human team, providing a significant competitive edge in high-stakes environments. For small businesses, this is a godsend. Productivity without payroll. For workers, it's both opportunity and threat, as new roles emerge while others are displaced. The same technology that gives a solo entrepreneur the power of a 20-person team also challenges the job security of those 20 people, creating a dynamic shift in the labour market. In developing economies where outsourcing once thrived on affordable human labour, autonomous agents could flatten competitive advantages overnight, necessitating new economic strategies. The new divide may not be between nations, but between those who use AI and those who don't, creating a new form of global inequality. Despite their sophistication, AI agents still lack something essential: intuition, empathy, and context. These human qualities remain crucial for complex problem-solving and nuanced interactions. A customer might accept an automated refund from a chatbot, but trust still hinges on human connection, especially in sensitive or complex situations. In creative work, the best AI tools enhance imagination. They don't replace it. They serve as powerful assistants, allowing artists and creators to explore new possibilities. Research shows that the most effective teams pair humans with agents in hybrid workflows. The AI handles repetitive, data-driven tasks, freeing up human employees for more strategic work. The human adds judgment, empathy, and ethical oversight. This collaboration is redefining productivity itself, leading to superior outcomes and innovative solutions. A single researcher, empowered by AI, can now analyze global data sets, visualize results, and draft entire papers in a week, accelerating the pace of discovery and knowledge creation. A small design studio can use autonomous agents to produce multimedia content that rivals corporate campaigns, democratizing access to high-quality creative production. The question is no longer, will AI replace us? But how can we scale human potential through it? This shift in perspective is vital for navigating the future of work. Now, in the era of AI agents, literacy means knowing how to collaborate with intelligence, human or artificial. This includes understanding how to interact with and leverage AI systems. In the 20th century, literacy meant reading and writing. In the 21st, it meant digital fluency, the ability to navigate and utilize digital technologies effectively. The most valuable professionals will not be those who resist AI, but those who can. Define high-level goals clearly, providing precise instructions for AI agents. Evaluate and guide autonomous systems, ensuring they operate within desired parameters and ethical guidelines. They must also integrate multiple agents to achieve complex outcomes, orchestrating their efforts effectively. Educational institutions are beginning to adapt. Universities are offering RI operations courses, focusing on the practical management of RI systems. Business schools teach agentic management, preparing future leaders to integrate AI into their organizations. Even creative writing programs explore co-authorship with AI, demonstrating how AI can augment human creativity. Just as the calculator didn't destroy mathematics, AI agents won't destroy work, but they will change the definition of skill, emphasizing collaboration and critical thinking. Developers are building guardrails, sandboxed environments, permission layers, and human-in-the-loop supervision to mitigate risks and ensure responsible AI deployment. Autonomy introduces not only power, but also unpredictability. What happens when an AI agent misinterprets a goal, leading to unintended consequences or errors in execution? When it accesses sensitive data or performs an unauthorized action in pursuit of efficiency? These scenarios highlight the need for robust safeguards and ethical frameworks. Still, the more autonomous these systems become, the harder they are to control, posing a continuous challenge for developers and policymakers alike. Ethicists argue for transparency and accountability. Every autonomous action should be traceable, explainable, and reversible, allowing for scrutiny and correction when necessary. Governments are starting to pay attention, drafting policies that define liability for AI-driven decisions, aiming to establish clear legal frameworks for this evolving technology. The challenge is philosophical as much as technical. When machines make decisions independently, who is responsible? The coder, the company, or the code itself? In Asia, governments see AI agents as productivity engines, driving efficiency and innovation across industries. In Europe, regulators emphasize safety and rights, ensuring AI technologies align with fundamental human values and ethical guidelines. In the US, startups race to commercialize autonomy as fast as possible, pushing the boundaries of AI innovation. Meanwhile, in Africa and Latin America, young professionals are using open-source agents to build micro-enterprises, AI-powered research firms, marketing collectives, and design studios. The democratization of intelligence is underway, connecting continents and empowering individuals globally. Autonomous AI might deepen inequalities where access is limited, but it could also narrow them where ambition meets connectivity. In this sense, the rise of AI agents is not just a technological event, it's a global redistribution of capability. This redistribution marks a significant shift in how societies and economies function worldwide. The implications are far-reaching, touching every aspect of our lives and work. The future promises even more profound transformations as we look ahead. We transition now to a glimpse of what lies ahead in the coming years. It's 2030. Most companies run hybrid teams of humans and agents, seamlessly integrating AI into daily operations. A digital colleague books your meetings, another maintains your code base, a third analyzes your performance metrics. The office is quieter, but not empty. Humans still debate, decide, and design, focusing on higher-level tasks. The dream of automation wasn't to remove people, but to amplify them, enhancing human capabilities. The challenge ahead is ensuring that amplification remains equitable, transparent, and humane for everyone. Autonomous AI has given society an unprecedented gift: time, freeing us from mundane tasks. Whether that time becomes opportunity or obsolescence depends on how wisely we use it. This brings us to a moment of reflection, considering the broader impact of these advancements. We now return to a familiar setting, but with a new perspective. Back at the conference where Devin first debuted, the crowd has changed, reflecting a broader audience. This time, there are more entrepreneurs, teachers, and policymakers than engineers, signifying a shift in focus. They watch a new generation of AI agents demonstrate complex tasks, designing user interfaces, simulating markets, even writing grant proposals. The applause is polite, almost reflective, a testament to humanity's evolving understanding of AI. Humanity is no longer surprised by what machines can do. Instead, we ponder their implications. The question now is, what should we do next as these powerful tools become more prevalent? In the quiet after the presentation, a thought lingers. The future of work isn't a battle between humans and machines. It's a negotiation between purpose and possibility. And that negotiation has only just begun, shaping our collective destiny. This leads us to the concept of co-intelligence, a new paradigm for human-AI collaboration. We now explore how humans and AI can work together to achieve greater outcomes. The future is not about replacement, but about synergy and shared intelligence. This is the essence of the age of co-intelligence. As AI agents proliferate, the narrative of replacement slowly gives way to one of co-intelligence. The best companies, the best societies, and perhaps the best individuals will be those who learn to think with AI, not against it. The story of autonomous agents isn't about machines taking over. It's about redefining what it means to be human in an age of intelligence. Welcome to the age of AI agents, where collaboration unlocks new possibilities. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI's transformative impact. Subscribe for more insights into the future of technology and innovation.